Old Harry. Old Harry lived with his dog, Bori. They were very poor, but they had each other. One day, Bori ran away. Old Harry was very sad. Friends came to comfort him. "So sad," they said. Old Harry just said, "Maybe." Now Harry had extra money. He did not need to buy dog food. He bought a lottery ticket. He won $1 million. Friends came to visit. "So lucky," they said. Old Harry said, "Maybe." Harry bought his son James a fast car. James had always dreamed of owning a Porsche. James drove too fast. He crashed the car and died. Friends came to comfort Harry. "How sad," they said. Old Harry said, "Maybe." Soon after, Harry's wife Clara grew very sad. She missed James so much. One morning she passed away in her sleep. Friends came to comfort Harry. "How tragic," they said. Old Harry just said, "Maybe." Harry was very lonely. He missed James, Clara, and Bori. He decided to volunteer at an animal shelter. At the shelter, he saw a small, fluffy dog. She looked just like Bori. He adopted the dog and named her Bori. Friends came to visit. "How wonderful," they said. Old Harry just said, "Maybe." Think about it. What does this story mean? The end.